Morning, dear students. Uh, Dear students, from today we are going to start some basic concept which is related to your math subjects. Okay, so our first topic is LCM. Okay, LCM. What is the LCM? LCM means least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, means L is stand for least, C is for common, and M is for multiple. So the full form of LCM is least common multiple. So there are three different methods to find the LCM of the given numbers. Students, we have three different methods to find the LCM of the given number. Okay, our first method is to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Our second method is to find the LCM by long division method like this. And third one is to find the LCM by least common multiple. These three important methods for finding the LCM of the given number. Okay, student. So, let's begin with our first method, that is prime factorization method. Students, for example, we have two numbers 48 and 72. Okay, 48 and 72 with us, and we have to find the LCM. But the method is also given in the question, that is prime factorization method. So how we will find it, beta? First we find the prime factor for 48 and then we find the prime factor for 72. Okay, so here 48 and 72 both are even numbers, right? So we start to divide it by the table of 2. So first we divide 48 by 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. If you are unable to divide it directly, you can do it in your rough work also. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, same for 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. I hope you all know this method very well. Then we have 72, so 2 36s are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Like this we find the prime factor. Now we write 48 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Like this. Same here, in the multiple form we write 72 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Understood everyone? Now we find the LCM. Okay, how? First we make a pair, common pair. For example, 2 is 2. ओके, हम पेयर बनाएंगे 48 के फैक्टर्स का और 72 के फैक्टर्स का. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर 2 का पेयर बन रहा है और इस पेयर में 2 है तो हम उसको 1 टाइम लिखेंगे. सेम हियर दिस पेयर ऑफ 2 and in place of this 2 we are write it for 1 time. Okay, same here for the 2, same here for the 3. Now we have remaining number, जो हमारे बचे हुए नंबर्स हैं 2 and 3, उनको हम लास्ट में लिख देंगे. ओके, then we multiply the given numbers. How? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48 and 48 3s are 144. So LCM of 48 and 72 is 144 and this method is known as what? This method is known as prime factorization method. Understood beta? Now we move to the next method, and what is the name of the next method? That is long division method. Okay, long division method. So first what we are doing beta? We have 48 and 72 both are even numbers, right? So we divide it by the 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 48 is 24, 2 divided by 72 is 36, same as last question. Then 2 divided by 24 is 12, 2 divided by 36 is 18, 2 divided by 12 is 6, 2 divided by 18 is 9. Then 2 3s are 6, नाउ 9 इज़ नॉट द मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. 9 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता है ना, तो देन वी स्टार्ट विथ 3. ओके, फिर हम 3 से करेंगे. सो 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Same here, 3 1s are. Okay, now we have 1 1 means our long division method is completed here, but we have to find the LCM also na. So we multiply the given factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 3s are 144. So by long division method the answer is same, the LCM is 144. I hope you understand it properly. Okay, very well na. This is long division method, and with the help of this method we easily find the LCM of the given number. Okay, now we have the next method beta, that is to find the LCM by least common multiple. For example, we have 3 numbers 8, 12 and 16, and we have to find the LCM by least common multiple. Okay, for example, we have 8 here. So what is the meaning of multiple? First of all, we have to find the meaning of multiple here. Okay, multiple means table, you can see. For example, we have to find the multiple of 8. So what we are doing, we write the table for 8. For example, 8 1s are 8, so first multiple is 8. 8 2s are 16, so our second multiple of 8 is 16. Like that, 8 6s are 48, so sixth multiple of 8 is 48. Okay, so if we want to find multiple, means we have to write the table. Students, it is compulsory for every student to learn the table from 2 to 20. So if this type of questions will be there, then you have to solve it properly. Okay, so first we write the table of 8 beta up to 10. 8 10s are. Okay, so 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Understood na? Same here for the table of 12 also. The table of 12, we start from 12 1s are 12 up to 12 10s are 120, and same here for the 16 also beta. Okay, now our next step to find the common multiple. Common multiple. So what is the common multiple? इन 3 tables में क्या common है, कौन सा number common है? That is 48 ना बेटा. 48 8 के टेबल में भी आता है, 12 के टेबल में भी आता है, एंड इन ऑल्सो 16 के टेबल में भी आता है. ओके ना. नाउ वी मेक अ सर्कल. We make a circle in our common multiple, and that is, and we find that is the least common multiple or not. Least, what is the meaning of least? मतलब सबसे छोटा. ओके, सो 48 तीनों में कॉमन भी है और तीनों का सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल भी है. ओके ना. सो आवर लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल इज 48 and LCM, least common multiple of 8 12 and 16 is 48. Understood na beta? Okay, here we have lots of common multiple. For example, in the table of 8 96 will be there. Okay, 96 will be there. 12 8s are 96, so 88, and after that 96. 96 is also in the table of 12, and 96 is also in the table of 16, but it is common multiple, not the least common multiple. When we have to find the LCM by least common multiple, we have to find the least common multiple in the given tables. Okay, so our least common multiple is 48. So our answer for this LCM of 8 12 and 16 is 48. I hope you understand all these 3 methods, how to find the LCM by prime factorization method, by long division method, and by least common multiples. Okay, students, do it properly. Okay, and thank you for watching video.